You are welcome to the part 3 of the tutorial. Here I'm going to be teaching you how to insert the sidebar for the for our already e-commerce website. Right now, let's go straight to the point. Now I'm going to open 3 or 4 different div tags. Now follow me as I'm doing it. This you close, you expand. Inside this we need another div tag, which is div close. Now you expand this as well, need div, this you expand. Now you have these 3 divs. Now I've told you what divs meant, and I told you they are for containers. That means the new trend in designing, and they have been around for some while now, since HTML4 and other versions. Now after I've done this, I'll open another div as well inside the same inner div. I'm gonna close it. Please kindly make sure to avoid errors, close your divs or close even all the tags you use. Now what I'm going to do is this, that inside this main div, I'm going to open another div as well and close it, and I'm gonna close it like this. Now I'm gonna press enter. Good. Now after this div, I'm gonna try to okay, after this div I'm gonna open an unordered list. Yeah, unordered list. Yeah, and I'm gonna close it here. Good. Now this is all what we need to design our sidebar. Now let's go straight to what we need to input in the sidebars. Now kindly follow me as I take you through it. It's not going to be difficult at all, just follow. Now major D, it's for the major container, as in that contains everything. I've already showed you what this meant inside the wireframe. I showed you. Now this is going to be called main body. Sorry, just misspelled. Main body as this. This is going to be a class. Yeah, class called container. Good. And the next one is going to be class 2, and it's gonna be row. Good. Now this is where the sidebar actually comes in. You can just write it here. Sidebar actually comes in here. Now this the other div here, I'm gonna make sure I name it sidebar. Sorry, I'm supposed to add this. Now sidebar as a class, span 3. Now the last div I have here, which is the inner div, it's for it has a class called well small. This is part of the BootStrap. So I've showed you where you can learn more about BootStrap. But kindly follow if you want to design the e-commerce website for this tutorial. Let's make it this for now, and you're gonna add image. So the image source themes / images / ICO card.png. Now you can add your alternate text, which is anything. You can name it anything. Let's say cat. Okay. After this, after cards, you might want to say, okay, 3 items in your basket. basket. Good. 3 items in your basket. Good. Now let's open the span and make sure we close the span. And also we have opened our A tag, and also our div has been closed. We opened the A tag, we closed the A tag, and we open the span, we close the span. Now we're going to add a class to our span, and the span class is going to be called badge. Badge warning. Pull right. Yeah, pull right. Now you might want to put this, let's say US dollars 132.00. Okay, we've closed the span. Now let's move this, let's shift this in. Now you can do your indenting so as to avoid errors. You can say it like this, okay, so as to give proper indent to your to your codes. Good. I'm through with this. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is under the ordered list, which is UL tag, I'll add an ID, and the ID is called side menu. Okay, sorry, that's not double E, that's one E. Side menu. Now I have a class. The class is gonna be nav tabs nav stacked. Okay, are you following? Okay. Now on inside the unordered list, this is for our bulletin, but we're going to make it in such a way that it's going to add more beauty to what we are trying to do. I'm going to add lists, and I'm going to make sure I close the list. Good. So let's move. Now what we are going to do, side menu, sorry, this should be a side menu. Yeah, I use side menu for this. Sorry, when I was doing the programming, I misspelled the name, so sorry for that. Side menu. Okay, now the class should be side menu open. Now I need to open my A tag. Let me say headphones. There's two random thing. Now at the end I must close my A tag. Good. Now inside this I want to create another list again. Inside this, and remember to close it. Thank you. Good. We are on the way. Now inside this another list, I'm going to create a list here, which is going to stand for each one. Now this open A class. A class is going to have active. Since it's the first one, I want it to like display itself. Active. Let's say href. Let's link it to nothing for now. After this, let's use the high class. The high class is gonna be icon chevron right. Yeah. Good. Under the text that's gonna be displayed, that's beats gray. Sorry, the name of the headphone, it's called gray. And I have like 100 in stock to sell. So now I need to close the A tag and also the LI tag. Now in this, I'm gonna do the same thing for the first one, and I'm gonna close the L tag. I'm gonna open A tag, and I'm gonna close the A tag, yeah, to avoid errors. Now A class, we have here, it's uh, the A class we have here, it's gonna be you know, should I use active? No. Okay, let me remove the classings. I just want this alone to show. So I'm not gonna use okay, just let me link it to nothing for now. href nothing, using the asterisk sign, sorry, using the hash sign. Okay, and the high class will be the same thing, icon, chevron, right, and okay, let's say, and I have to close the sorry, the high tag, yeah. And after this, I'm gonna type Apple 30. Now do the same thing, open, close this, open a I don't need to add, okay, href, okay, let's link into nothing, okay, I'm gonna have it high class with this is same thing, icon, chevron, right. But before this, I need to close the high tag, and I'm gonna type orders. Whereas I have other types of headphones, which is 80 in stock. And I'm gonna close the A tag and the L tag, and Li tag is already closed. Now, right now, I think that's what I have for now. So I'm gonna set these for later. So the next one is under these, I'm gonna do the same by creating another you know, this is, okay, this has been closed already, sorry. Okay, now this has been opened, this is closed. Now underneath this, I need to open another Li tag, and close the Li tag. Now I need to add a class to this, and the class is going to be called submenu, and I'm going to open a tag, 24 player, which I have 58 in stocks. Okay. Now we have UL. I'm gonna use the UL tag. Sorry. Close the UL tag. I can expand this and type inside UL tag. Now we need to create a list. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. All of these, after UL has been opened, the next thing I'm gonna do is I have to input the class here. Say UL style. Okay. Display none. Good. Sorry. Display none. Okay. Now the next thing is I'll go on with the Li tag, href. Now linked it to nothing. Sorry, I kept on pressing the $sign. Now after this, you need to open your I class, the high tag class icon chevron, the same thing you did to the first one, and you're going to need to close the high tag. Then next thing, Apple iPods, which I have like let's say 45. Let me use other parentheses. Okay, 45. I need to close this, I need to close that. Good. So next one's gonna be like the same as this. Li tag, close Li tag, open A tag, and close the A tag, link it to nothing. Now I'm gonna open the high class, okay, the same thing, icon chevron right. They need to close the high tag first, and the next thing, Sony, I have just 8 with me, and the other tags have been closed. Now the next one is the leash. I'm gonna open Li tag again, close it, open A tag, close it, link it to nothing, open your high class, okay, same thing, icon chevron right. Now you need to close the I tag under Panasonic, yeah, which I have a 5. Okay, now for this I can say I'm through with the another list, which I can indent all these in. This is opened here, this is closed, this is also opened, this is closed. So I'm okay with this. Now the next thing, inside the same div that already been opened, I need to add some other things in it, which is going to form for the power banks. So let's move, and it's gonna be very easy and smooth as this as well. Now I'm gonna need to open Li tag. I'm gonna need to open an Li tag. Okay, Li. Sorry, I'm using another different keyboard, so that's why. Sorry, please. Li. Okay. Now, before I go on, let me add a class to this. Class. Same thing. Submenu. I'm gonna open a tag. Power banks. Okay. I have 78 in stock. Good. I'm going to create an order list. Okay, now we need to do the same thing, but before we go on, we need to add the style to this. It's just gonna be the same as display none, just the same as the first one. None. Good. I'm gonna create the Li tag, close the Li tag, open a tag, and close it. Good. And link it to nothing for now. I class. Good. Let's close the I class already. Now we have the same icon chevron right. Okay. MK tech. Sorry, the K here is in small letter. Now we're gonna create this. Sorry. Close the Li tag. Open A it has been closed. Link it to nothing. Our high class, and close the I tag icon chevron right. We have this zinc. Open a, closed a, sorry. Now in this, link it to nothing. Open your high tag, sorry, I class. Close the I tag. Orders 15. Okay, I'm not yet done with this, sorry. Just want to close the space I have in between and do my proper indenting. Okay, good. This is open, this is closed. So what else I'm gonna need to do, it's okay, okay, this and this. Okay, good. Let's check what we have on our on the file. So let's open what we have here. Let's open what we have here. Good. Okay, yeah, good. So can you see what we have here already? Good, it's working. Yeah, so sorry, there's an error here. We need to check this, that orders work. You can see it collapsed, it responds to our click. Don't worry, we're going to be making orders to work as expected. So let's check our code. I think the major problem we have here is under the power banks, right? Okay, so let's go under the power banks and check. Okay, side menu, it's correct. I class, sorry, icon chevron right. Let's go back and check again. Good. I'm suspecting it's okay now. Wow, there's an error here, there's an error here, there's an error here. Oh, sorry, I haven't closed the I tag. You can see the reason why I said you should always close your tags as the same way you open them. Now let's check. Boom, we are okay. So now we have this sidebar, the first one here. We are still going to have more sidebars by the side, and also the content. Now thank you, I'm going to meet you in the next video. Bye.